Hi and welcome to Plant House Unlimited. Snake plant, as you know, is the best air purifier. It can easily be propagated in water. Let's see how. Here I have a bottle. If you can see, there are roots which are formed and algae which has grown. We need to clean it. We first need to clean our leaves. So here let's begin the process. If you see, there are roots which are developed on most of the leaves, but yes, there are few leaves which has not developed any roots. So this happens, and in some cases you will also see a small plant which has developed. A small plant has already grown here, and that too just in the bottle with water, only water. I'll show you few more leaves. There are few leaves which won't have any roots, but still we'll keep it. We'll keep trying. See, here we need to clean this. So right now I'll keep it aside. I'll just dry out all the leaves on a newspaper and set it aside to dry. Now to show you how I developed roots in these leaves, I'll just take a sample leaf which is dried. You can take any leaf. It's not a damaged plant, but yes, half part of the leaf is damaged. If you see the brown part, we are going to cut this brown part, and rest of the leaf can be used for propagation. I'll just give a cut with a sharp clean scissors, and that's it. The cut is now fresh, and hence if we put it in water, the chances are high that it may catch fungus and the leaves may rot. So let's leave it to callus, that is the base. The cut has to get dried. Leave it for 2 to 3 days at least, and then we will pot it in water. So now here I am going to reuse a bottle. I'll just clean the bottle first with some water. It's just plain tap water. And fill it again with fresh water. I'm going to fill only 3/4 of the bottle, and I'll now, after 2 to 3 days, I'll just put this leaf inside the water. And now for the roots to develop, it is important that it gets indirect sunlight. A place like windowsill would be the best option here. So occasionally you will have to clean the bottle. Whenever you see algae which has formed, we need to clean it. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a cloth, a waste cloth, and a pen. I'm going to just roll a strip of old cloth over the pen like this and dip it inside water. And now I'll just whirl it inside the bottle and clean the algae. This is the best option. You don't have to invest in any brush. Now I'll fill the bottle with some fresh water. Once again, I'll just start placing the leaf which we had cleaned earlier one by one. Carefully, not to break the roots which has already developed. Now here this is a big leaf, so what I'll do is I'll just squeeze it a bit very slowly, and I'll push it lightly inside the water. Same process for the plant which has already developed a new baby plant. As you see here, I am pushing one leaf at a time. And finally, I have 3 beautiful glass pots which I have reused for propagation purpose. Do let me know if you like the video, and if you find this helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.